So we need to take this front white bumper off. So that screw, that screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw. So that's off now. So we just have to take these 3 screws out. 1, 2, 3. That's the pedal. So once the pedal is all out, just leave it like that for now. So when you take this off, you might find the old one still in the pedal somewhere. It might have stuck around here. As you can see, I just found this. It was still in the pedal. Once you open this part, you might want to try moving the pedal and see, maybe just check where it's getting stuck. It might work, it might not, but just check before you go to the next part.